Todos bienvenidos a otro video. Este video están viendo que tengo una skin nueva. Acá está, mira. Esto yo voy a hacer siempre en Minecraft, en la computadora. Entonces si me quieren ver, porfa, entren. Y para que entren a mi nueva server, se llama Nicole, pones Nick. Y pones 14 y pones 10 L's. Y para entrar a la otra pones Nico Cool. Para entrar pones Nico Nick. ¿Sabes, chicos? Dejen like si son nuevos. Chicos, espero que les gustó este video. Perdón si este video ahora porque no usé ScreenFlow. Entonces aquí lo voy a hacer en inglés. Hello everybody, welcome back to Let's Play video. In this video we're going to be doing a Minecraft video. But it's going to be a quite short one. So, this is my new Minecraft skin. Woohoo! So, make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you're new. If you want me to keep this skin, make sure to subscribe. If you want to see some skins like this, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And something that I built that you guys are going to absolutely love. So, okay guys, so I'm showing you something that I built and I know you guys are going to like it. So let me grab my computer over. Hello guys. So let's turn around. I'm turning around Minecraft. So here's my skin. A quick closer look at it. But I haven't shown you. Wait. Here it is. Yay. A statue of my skin. Wait, let me quickly go down. Hope you like this video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you're new, guys. See you guys next video. Bye bye.